Your SIP deserves an increment too, just like you do. As your income increases each year, shouldn't your investment amount too? But instead of starting a new SIP with the incremental amount, what if you could automatically increase the SIP amount without having to go through any additional hassle? This is exactly what the SIP top-up feature allows you to do. Let's understand the steps to register for SIP top-up. Log on to your account from www.DSPIM.com on the home screen. Once you've logged in, click on Systematic Plans. This will appear on the left panel if you're using a computer and on the top panel if you're using your mobile. Select the SIP which you wish to top up by clicking on the drop-down icon. Here, click on Convert to Top-up SIP option. In this screen, enter the installment amount followed by the frequency and tenure. Next, click on the checkbox and choose the predetermined frequency to increase your installment amount. This can be either every year or every 6 months. Next, enter the top-up amount. Finally, mention the maximum top-up amount. This will stop the top-up facility once it reaches the amount you have mentioned. Click on Add Transaction. Next, click on Review Transaction. Check details of SIP and click on Confirm. And that's it! Your SIP is successfully topped up. In case you get stuck at any point, please call us at 1-800-208-4499. You may also mail us at service@dspim.com along with the error screenshot should you face any. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.